everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm making Chinese chili chicken, which is very yummy recipe, and it's very easy too. So I'll be sharing the marination process first with you all. So for marination we need about a service spoon of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 egg, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of degi mirch or Kashmiri mirch to give color, and this is about 600 grams of clean washed chicken thighs. You can use any boneless chicken that you want, any piece of chicken that is boneless that you wish or you like. You can even use breast fillets also. So I have chopped them into small pieces. So now let's start with our recipe. So take a big mixing bowl into which I am breaking an egg like so. Alright, and then putting in salt, red chili powder, vinegar, soy sauce, cornstarch, corn flour, anything you wish to say, and adding chicken pieces. And you can use spoon to mix them up. I'm using my hand because I'm more comfortable with hand. And you will add slowly you will add this all-purpose flour, that is maida. You'll not put them all together. So now putting in little by little, mixing well. So I've also added a pinch of food color, red food color, for my chili chicken. I wanted a different color to it. And once everything is mixed well, we'll cover it with lid and we'll let it marinate for about half an hour in fridge. Also, one more thing, that adding food color is completely optional. So I'm back after an hour and give a nice stir to this marinated chicken, and it's ready to get fried. So let's fry them. Fry our chicken pieces on low to medium flame, otherwise they'll get burnt. We'll stir them with very light hands, and you can just splash some oil on the top like so. But remember to fry them on low to medium flame. That's the trick for this recipe. I've turned their side once so that they can be cooked from both the sides, and it will take about 10 to 12 minutes. So by the time our chicken is getting fried, let me share the recipe for the little gravy that we'll be making, the sauce that we'll be making for our chili chicken. So for that I've taken this 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, or you can even use Szechuan sauce or chutney. It is available on my channel. You can just find it. It's really yummy and it adds very nice flavor to your recipe. 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is about 2 tablespoons of vinegar, into which I have chopped small green chilies, 2 green chilies. It is optional. If you don't like it to be peppy, just don't add green chilies. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies. You can just jump from this step if you don't like it, just avoid it. About 2 tablespoons of corn flour, we'll be making a paste out of it. Some coriander for garnishing. You can even use spring onions. About 2 large size onions roughly chopped, and 1 big capsicum roughly chopped. So now once our chicken is fried well, then I'll start to make the sauce. In a saucepan, putting in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Any cooking oil you can put. The chicken is fried well. Now taking it out on a kitchen towel. Once our oil is heated, we'll drop garlic. After 1 minute, ginger. green chilies. Toss it well. After cooking it on high flame for 2 minutes, adding in the onion and capsicum. Toss them well. Keep mixing it for about 4 to 5 minutes till onions turn translucent, but we'll do it on high flame only. Now dropping in vinegar with chilies, soy sauce. I have not added salt because soy sauce already has salt, so we'll just sprinkle some at the end. Ketchup, Szechuan chutney or chili sauce, and we'll just mix everything well. In the bowl in which I have added corn flour, I have added about 1/4 cup of water, and we'll just mix and make a paste out of it like so. Keep stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes. Grinding in some fresh black peppercorn. Now adding in our fried chicken. Mix everything well. Once everything is mixed well, now pouring in the paste of corn flour and water to give a nice shine and silky texture. And again we'll mix everything well. So the chili chicken is ready. We'll just let it simmer for about 1 or 2 minutes on low flame. Sprinkling some salt. Now we'll just turn off our flame and we'll serve it. Chicken is ready. Garnishing it with some coriander leaves. You can also put spring onion. And I really hope that you have liked my recipe, and if you have, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye bye.